Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to uninstall Photos app on Windows 11 or 10. So this is very easy and simple method to uninstall Photos app on your Windows 11 or 10 PC or laptop. So firstly you need to search here Windows PowerShell. This Windows PowerShell. Click on Run as administrator. So simply click on it. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now here you need to paste this command. If you comments I will give in description box, you need to just copy and paste this command. If you comments I will give in description box, you need to just copy and right click on it here, so you easily paste this command. So after this command process will be complete, so close it and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos, and share this video to all your friends.